As we know, DJI is the king of the consumer and professional drone, and every year they add some improvements to the drone with consistency to remain in the top position. Anyway, it's been a long time since we've seen drone from the Air series. The Air 2 Seconds was released in April 2021, which is already more than a year old. So, we'd be happy to see the DJI Air 3 next year. In our today's video, we're going to share some news and our expectations from the upcoming DJI Air 3. DJI Air 2S is a hotshot drone. It's basically a drone between the DJI Mavic series and the DJI Mini series. Also, it has a balanced price tag considering its features and the design it boasts. So as for the design, we don't see any reason to have any changes to it. The current foldable design is pretty compact and fits perfectly in the backpack. Apart from that, if DJI comes up with a sleeker body design with the upcoming Air 3, that would be great. Moreover, we've seen low-noise propellers in the Mini 3 Pro, which is actually normal for new drones. So, we also might have it in the upcoming Mavic Air 3. Another important thing is weight. The current Air 2S weighs 595 grams, and as technology gets smaller and improves day by day, it's quite possible to bring the DJI Air 3's weight down to 500 grams or even less. And we think DJI already has a plan for this. Now let's talk about the camera. Right now, the DJI Air 2S has a 1-inch CMOS sensor which is capable of capturing 5.4 Kelvin videos at 30 FPS and 4 Kelvin at 60 FPS. It can even capture more light in a dark environment. As it goes, everything looks amazing. But we want to see a larger sensor just like the DJI Mavic 3, which will be 4x3 CMOS with a physical aperture. So that will push the ability to capture 4K footage at 60 FPS or 5.7K at 60 FPS. Not only that, it will help us to get a better nighttime recording as well. Furthermore, just like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a 48 megapixel camera would be appreciated. Regarding obstacle avoidance, the current DJI Air 2S boasts obstacle sensing in full directions, which isn't bad in itself, but there are still some blind spots. So to cover that, we are expecting omnidirectional obstacle sensing in the upcoming DJI Air 3. Also, we might see some improved software features including Active Track 5.0 and a PAS 5.0. As every new drone from DJI is coming with an O3 Plus transmission system which can directly transmit live 1080p video at 60 FPS. So it's expected the upcoming DJI Air 3 will come with O3 Plus transmission system. In terms of battery life, the Air 2S has up to 31 minutes of flight time, but that would be great if DJI adds an intelligent flight battery plus that we have seen with the Mini 3 Pro. This might help the upcoming DJI Air 3 to reach up to 50 minutes of lifetime so you can enjoy carefree exploration. As for the price, we don't want DJI to increase it, so we're hoping the price will remain the same as the Air 2S. In short, the current DJI Air 2S is still a top-notch drone you can get, but we would love to see its next lineup with an upgraded sensor, improved shooting capability, and stability. Another important thing we want to see in the upcoming Air 3 is an improved battery life, which is a must. So, this is all what we expect from the upcoming DJI Air 3. What do you think and what features do you want? Let us know in the comment section down below, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.